Yes, sir. Watching me before I go to work. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all check me out. Hey, gang. Y'all gotta start. Y'all gotta rock with your boy, man.
Hey. What's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights. I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me. They coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights. I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo Savage 392, and I'm back with one of them things that go on top of your noggin. So, the slam dunk. Get dunked on, you know the vibes. Hey man, listen, today is gonna be a busy day. Today is actually the day before Gapfest, or the pre-meet for Gapfest. So, I got a lot of running around to do. You see, I need to get a shave, you know what I'm saying? Definitely need a shave. I gotta go. I still haven't packed. That's another thing. I still haven't packed. I gotta pack a bag. I'm not taking much. Just a couple things to wear Friday, Saturday. Well, actually, I only need Saturday because I'm gonna have Friday on. Like what I put on Friday, I'm gonna just wear that all day. What you see is what you get, player. To riff all that goofy shit. Be changing clothes like a little female. Yeah. I'll just play, y'all. But yeah, I'm actually finna be late for work, so we finna go ahead and slide up out of here. You know what I'm saying? Let me hold y'all like that right there. So, but my first thing I gotta do, like I said, I gotta get a lineup. Oh man, guess what? So, y'all know I do bowling, and I bowled 3 leagues this year. That means I bowled on one team, a 4 or 5 man team, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then I would do tournaments on the weekend. So 2 of my teams made it to what they call the roll-off. It's like championship round type deal. You know what I'm saying? We made it. We made it, but one of my teams finished in 8th place because I bowled like ass. When I say I bowled bad, I bowled bad. But my other team, one of my Thursday team, which is today, we made it to the quarterfinals. You know what I'm saying? Which is lit to me because I want to win a league. So tonight I got to bowl. I'm bowling for a spot in the championship round, and then hopefully we'll be bowling for a championship. Gotta be so lit. Let me not get excited. Man, today, hey man, what's up, gang? Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Pablo. So right now I'm on my way to the post office. I remember when I told you, okay, so let me tell y'all the deal what happened. I ordered some mods for the car. Shout out to that boy Josh Laurent for suggesting this company, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate that boy, you know what I'm saying? I like how it looked on Big Redeye, so I was like, ooh, that might look good on Big Daytona. So we gonna get that, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, all right, that's cool. And so I ordered the part. They sent me the wrong stuff. They closed the day. And they talk, see, I know people ain't talking about us closing early. But yeah, what I was saying, yeah, so let me put the seatbelt on too. What I was saying, I forgot what I was saying. But nah, so I ordered the part too. I like, that might look good on the Daytona, you know what I'm saying? So I ordered the part. They gave me a date. They ended up sending me somebody else's stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I was kind of peed off about that. Because when I called them and told them, I was like, hey, listen, the stuff y'all sent me is not my stuff. You know what I'm saying? He was like, all right, cool. We're going to email you a shipping label so you can send that one to the person that it's supposed to go to, and we're going to get yours out. So I was like, well, since it was due this day on a certain day, can y'all next day air it? And he was like, yeah, but it'll be $65. In my head, I'm like, I'm finna give you another $100 to take care of something that y'all messed up on. That wasn't my fault. I ordered my part. You were supposed to verify that the stuff that you were sending me was my stuff. That's why you have a shipping label. That's why you have a itinerary, or not even an itinerary, a sales list of everything you selling, and you verify as you put it in the box. You check it out, put it in the box, check it out. So when you told me that, I was like, oh nah. So the person stuff they sent me, I was like, well shit, I'm gonna hold it so y'all give me my stuff. And the post office just hit me up and say, your stuff is here, Mr. Chapman. You can come grab it. I'm on my way to get that. I need that. Y'all ain't gonna get to see what it is because, like I said, today we are preparing to head to Gapfest in St. Louis, Missouri. Going up there to hang out with the big dog Stunneries. Going up there to hang out with the big dog CJ32s. I think Demonology, Mike Defame. A lot of other YouTubers. I think T-Rose coming. I think I seen Sasha Too Smooth coming. The Real Nova 797 gonna be there. I think I seen TJ 2 Live gonna be there. Pablo Savage 392 gonna be there. It was some other people, but I really don't know. I can't remember everybody off the top. But yeah, so it's about to be a lit weekend, man. I still ain't got my thing. I ain't got this lined up yet. It's coming though. I'm going to get there. If I don't get it today, I ain't gonna get one. I'm just be roughing it out. I am one of those people, like, I don't too much care. I let it be what it is and rock out, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do that. Then I got I'm just ready to see this package. I'm ready to see what I got. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited about that. But I'm hit y'all up when I get. I ain't gonna hold y'all. In this 4 minutes, I definitely. Let y'all hear some of that popcorn back there. Y'all hear that popping back there? These paddle shifters come in handy is when I gotta record and drive at the same time. Any other time y'all see me use that piece right there. But I'm on my way to the not the bowling alley. I'm on my way to the post office, man, so I can go get my package, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of excited to start my vehicle, bro. Big Daytona gonna be something serious on these roads out here. Gonna be applying big pressure, you know what I'm saying? I got this I got an idea. I got a pretty good idea how I want this build to go. So it's gonna be fast enough to beat a lot of cars, but not fast enough to be like racetrack fast. But I'm gonna be quick, and it's gonna slide. Believe that. You know what I'm saying? I got a few other mods coming. It's like, I don't know. I've been enjoying the car scene, bro. Shout out to you guys that's watching this right now, bro. If you could like right now, hit that like button, man. Go ahead and run up them likes, man, because you know with the liking, you help me get recommended to other people. I had a dude hit me up, say he got a recommendation for my video from Switzerland. I was like, no cap, I was excited, bro. Like, dang, that's on far reach, but you gotta realize it's the internet, so you gonna have reach like that. Slide past you, but I don't need you up on me like that. No sir ski. What's that? Oh man, what happened? You be playing like that, bro? You scared of me? Alright, so we pulled up to the post office. Let me take these people there. Put these people stuff, bro. How you doing? Oh, she looking like that. You wanna be on camera? You can be on camera, baby. See, I had to kept cuz junk because I was like, man, y'all gonna send my stuff first before.
Y'all gotta send me mine first before I send anything back. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I can record in here, so I'm gonna stop this real quick. Well, we'll see. We'll keep going till we can't record no more. You know what I'm saying? Hope you get your package, Alan. Reformato. Definitely had to hold those up till I got mine. So there you go. It's on its way, baby. Cause it's here, baby. I got right there. So we can rock out with that. Alright, gang. So I got my package, you know what I'm saying? Don't pay attention to how dirty my car is. It is here. Shout out to, again, my boy Josh Laurent for this mod idea. I appreciate you, gang. You know what I'm saying? We're going up all 2021. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to do it, but it's gotta wait, cause we on our way to well, not today, but we prepping ourselves for Gapfest, which is lit. You know what I'm saying? That's lit. I'm lit body. You know what I'm saying? Get to hang out with the gang. All right, we out of here though. But man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the channel. Hit that bell notification, because we're going up all 2021, baby. You know, we're making them drops, making them bangers. We got them things that go right across the dome, you know what I'm saying? Don't make me take your face and make you get dunked on in a video. You know I could do it. You know I could do it. Don't play now. Stop. But yeah, so here go that seatbelt again. My bad, y'all. One second. Let me get that thing put on. Whoa, whoa. I ain't gonna lie, I'm hyped.
Many hours later.
Alright, gang. Practice time over. Just went through the practice session. It's go time now, baby. We finna rock out. Gotta rock out. What's up, brother? You alright?
No, I need something out of my bag.
So, let's do this. It's the quarter semifinals or the quarterfinals. Now all you gotta do is just bowl regular. You know what I'm saying? Good practice. I see good. Got a good look. I'm kind of hyped. I'm anxious. I'm hyped. Anxious and hyped at the same time. I need to get something to drink. Alright. I'm gonna get back at y'all. Alright, gang. Let me tell you. Let me give you an update. First game over. I bowled like shit. The team needed help, and we all bowled like shit. We only got 1 point, so we have to win this next match. All of us. But everybody let their frustration kick in. You can't, I mean, as bad as I bowl, I still ain't gonna give up. You know what I'm saying? Just keep going, keep going, keep going. And that's all you can really do. So, it's Mr. Richards on his one shot. They've been getting a lot of carry though. Like some amazing carry. Shit that we was getting last week, they getting it this week. So just gotta keep rocking out. Good ball, man. Let me see if I can get y'all some angle or something. I ain't got no tripod in this joint. We finished in 3rd place. It's all good, man. I bowled so-so. Not great, not bad. I actually threw the ball well, but carry, and then I left a couple splits that I didn't pick up. I'm sad. But we be back. No worries, we be back. We gonna bounce back. They finna do the championship round right now. They lined up. This is both teams. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. This nigga does not look. That's the shit he normally do. This nigga bowled perfect when he bowled against us. But yeah, man, I just want to say thank y'all for watching my video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you get all my drops. I will see y'all in Gapfest tomorrow. I will be at Gapfest tomorrow, man. I hope y'all had a good night. We're going up all 2021. Yes, sir. I'm out of here.